samurai who smells of sunflowers.
Sunflowers.
Sup?
I'm back. Here I am. Too happy. Bro, I don't even care what anyone thinks of my mood right now. I couldn't give a shit. I am like buzzing. I don't know why the music volume was so high to start off with, but you know what? It worked. It worked. It really, really worked out. You know what? It boosted my mood too, so I'm not complaining. Ah. Right, let's get this shit everywhere. Where are we gonna put this shit? Let's put it on my fucking server for announcement. Everyone, take my link, bitches. Go ahead and publish that to the community, and that should be that from there. Whether all my stream setup is working, I don't know. I was thinking about revamping the whole thing. That was, like, the complete wrong selection of fucking scenes, but you know what? I don't even care. Bro, honestly. I don't see why I don't set my stream link as a status thing on Discord. I should set a status saying streaming and don't disturb me. I kinda wanna get better Discord up in here too. Like I really wanna get better Discord up in my on my PC. I got the I got quite a good PC at the minute too, so I'm not really complaining about anything that's going on. Right. Let's swap some stuff around because I'm not liking the flow of this music. That's good. Show me something amazing. Feed my ears with purity. That works. That will do. That will do perfectly. Right. So I'm just doing a stream because I've been working on this like literally day and night. I'm not even kidding when I say that. Up until I think it was 4 last night, working on this shit. Mainly just playing games, but working on this shit. Because I'm an idiot, and I stayed up until fucking 4 in the morning. But we don't talk about that. It's fine. I'm okay. At least I think. I'm not tired. Surprisingly, I don't know fucking how I'm actually up. But like, especially the time it is 11:45 a.m. So unfortunately I can't say that. I was gonna spoil some things for you guys, but I can't say anything about my plans anymore. got plans, and they're big time plans, and I can't say anything about them. Everyone will be like, oh. But nah, I got big time plans, man. Reprojected gonna get, well, has got its update. I'm working on that, the game's new update already. 1.0.7. I'm taking it slow because, you know, there's not really much rush for this one, considering, you know, FNaF 2 and FNaF Sister Location came out in the last update, and it's not too hard to get FNaF 4 sorted out, and, you know, get along with some other characters. Like, I've got Nixon, the Joy of Creation. I got his permission. That game is fucking sick. I cannot wait to put that into, like, actual animatronic perspective form. That is going to be fucking fun. It's going to be right fun. I really can't wait. I'm not sure if I want to make it gory or not. Like, you know, make your comments, but, you know, I'm not sure if I want to do that. I personally, yes, I do. That would be like, you know, I'd enjoy that kind of thing, you know what I mean? But for the game, would it be good for the game, you know what I mean? Because it hasn't been gory so far, so what's the point of making it gory now? So I've been working hella hard on the animatronic system here. And I'm still working on it now, so we're gonna continue to lots. Increase time to wait. I want to turn this down because 5 is a lot. 5 is a lot. So let's say Bunny goes. Where's the value? Here it is. If Bunny goes 20, that's gonna get decreased to 15, then 10, then 5, then nothing, and then he'll just keep fucking. It's a murder plethora. You know, it's just not good. The Night God's gonna be stuck on 2020 mode for all eternity. Which is pretty cool, to be fair, but, like, you know, why? If I take, like, 2 off, at least it's not gonna be like, oh shit, he's gonna fucking sneak up behind me and jump scare me or something. Yeah. So, yeah. So let's just jump the fuck in. And break shit, basically. All I've really got to do is break the living shit out of things. I've just got to wait for these guys to activate. If Foxy doesn't fucking end me first, that is. And, see how that goes. Fucking broke Chica, man. Right. So, the only thing I'm worried about is collision. So, I'll show you what I mean. Go into toggle debug camera here. So, this door here, if you come up to this door, or, like, you know, you're standing up against a wall, and you get jump scared, what are the collision properties going to be? You know, what is the purpose of collision? Will it work? Will it function correctly? Will everything be fine? I'm just gonna put myself up against this wall here and just, like, let Bonnie screw me over. I mean, it doesn't look to change at all. Like, fucking, there's no fucking difference. But that's the thing, I don't want the player to be sitting at the fucking window and then they fucking clip through the wall or some shit. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Like, that's one thing I'm generally worried about in, ReWired. Especially in ReWired 3. Like, if I haven't told anyone yet, I'm planning to make the FNaF 3 version of this FNaF ReWired because I fucking love. I've seen some really messed up things of Springtrap lately, and I really want to get into it. It's intriguing. But aside from my amazing plans to make a FNaF ReWired that is going to be really fucked up, because yeah, well, not too fucked up. Like I'm not going to go overboard. Don't worry. Come on, bitch, come kill me. Come like murder me. Come on, Bonnie. You can do. What in the actual fuck? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Well, bro, what the fuck happened there? I just broke the whole fucking game. How did that happen? Huh? Okay. I'm really confused as to how that happened and why. Excuse me, Bonnie, can you just tell me why that happened? Never mind. Right, so what do we need to do? We need to fix whatever the fuck just happened. I really want to find out what the fuck that even was. Right, let's hop into the camera system. Nothing much going on in here. Oh yes, that's actually a thing. Right, so let's hop into the main menu. You guys haven't seen the new main menu yet. I've been working my arse off. Bro, I need to stop. I need to, like, take a chill. After this stream, I'm gonna go play some fucking games. I need to, like, take a chill pill. Right, so this is the old settings menu. This is the just that kind of settings menu. So we're gonna make a new one. I don't know why this folder exists, but it does. Let me delete it. Show an explorer. That's it. Right. Never mind then. I'll do that. Fair enough. Right, main menu. That's not a fucking main menu, dumbass. Read. Right. Okay, so in here should be... These are going to be audio settings. Yes, I have plans for audio settings. So let's just work on UI design, because that's my favorite part of fucking everything. Love UI design. Where does this actually fucking go? At the top of the... Okay, yeah, as I thought, at the top of the box. Alright. That makes life 10 times easier. Can I do padding on the kind of the top? Yeah, let's just do 10 there. I feel like 20 would be good there. Yeah, that looks a bit more sexy. Don't say so myself. Sexy UI design? Need to shut up. Right. Let's make it red. I kind of want to keep it... Yeah, let's just keep it normal color. And let's give it an outline. 5. That looks okay. Audio setting. font, I'd use that font. But the problem is, literally, I see people use these kind of fonts, right? And I cannot, for the life of me, read them. Like, I know what that says, just because I writ it. But, like, if I had no idea what that said, I couldn't read that. I wouldn't be able to read it at all. I have to use Google Translate to translate the text because I just can't. My brain just can't process the fucking font. It just can't do it. I don't know what it is. I just can't process that kind of font. It just doesn't. It doesn't vibe with me at all. I don't know why. Right. So let's make an animation. Let's call it audio widget. Let's just call it audio widget instead of coming up for something long and annoying. Scale. How do we want this to go? Let's just go usual 0.9. Yeah, let's try 0.9. Feeling a bit 0.9. A bit of a point now. You wanna compile. Huh? What? Bro, I swear I edited the keyframe, but alright, whatever. Actually, no, I might not have done. My bad. Let's make it all. Let's make it look now. And render piece D. This is like my favorite feature in Unreal. I'm not even gonna lie. I think personally my favorite version of 4 was 4.26. Just because of how, like, the features in it were just amazing. Me and Turbo were loving that shit, man. UE 4.26. What the fuck is all this? Slot name. Okay, so I've already got some volume variables going on in here. That makes life a bit easier. Not nice code. Like, the logic's all fucked up and everything. Gonna have to, like, recode all of this. Yeah, let's just do it today. And I don't have to do it later. And then I'm not also bitching. Let's do it later. Let's do it now. We do it now, and then I don't bitch about it later. Play animation. That is not what I wanted. Let's play animation. Animation. I didn't know you could press backspace to get rid of a node either. That threw me off. When I pressed backspace and the node just disappeared. I was like, what the fuck? Okay, right. Second thing second. What we're gonna do is jump into settings. It's settings video. No, it's not settings video. And this is the original, isn't it? Settings main menu. No, okay. So I made this little display section here. Not got a great background. Bumped on up a little. Oh, it already has everything set up. There's an image block as well. Oh, and the animation's all cool and stuff. Yes. Okay, right. I've impressed myself. 240 frames. I love to. Where's the? So, oh, everything's, wow, okay, everything's already set up in here. Good job me, I guess. Alright, fair enough, fair enough. Where's the main menu? Ah, I'm dying. Ow. Come on. Right. Settings. Or options. Oh yeah, I can just fucking go in here and like change this shit. I completely forgot about all this setting up. I do so much setting up for no reason. Like these fucking these custom events, I mean, they literally just add a widget. It's not like I can put widget variables through them. That's the only problem with function libraries. You can't put function libraries. You can't put fucking widget variables through function libraries. It just doesn't work. We hop into video. Okay, so this actually does display everything. Audio. Okay, so half of it isn't set up properly, you know. It does display something. Ah. Fuck. That is just... what a relief. Right, let's just set this to 1.0 here. And let's make it pretty. Make it all nice. Give it some special touch. I don't really need the normal icon here because I, you know, like who needs that? I do need the hovered and pressed functionality though. That is a given. So let me just check that out there. Was that video settings we've just done? That's just generally the settings menu. Yeah, there we go. That's not looking too bad, is it? A little bit of a vibe. Yeah. Touching up. So, let's hop into these buttons here, because I don't like them. Okay? And we're going to say 15, 15. And that spaces them out like that. Very nice, very nice. There's the style tab. And then we can set these to 1.0 here. You know, like set these to blue. Let's just use the same style as we did for the back button on these buttons. So what we can do here is we can copy that. And we should just be able to move it to here. No, fuck, that's the fucking wrong thing. It's style I was meant to copy. Right, let's go ahead. That even fucking work? No, because this isn't the same. Of course, everything needs to fucking match up, doesn't it? There you go, you're fucking happy. Right. That looks a bit more prettier, doesn't it? Video settings. Now what I could add, what I could do, is I could add like a background. But add the image to there. Gradient 2. You know what? I don't want to know. Don't want to know what that is even. Use my gradient. Lower that down so it's not as intensified. Yeah, I'd say that. 0.1. That looks alright. If we go over to compile. Yeah, that looks alright. Kind of tab back to the fucking OBS stream, but won't let me. Why, I don't know. My Windows system's weird. Fucking, it's really fun. It is what it is. I cope. How long have we been going? I don't feel like that long. Jesus, 27 minutes. It definitely don't feel like 27. Okay, what the fuck is going on here? What kind of witchcraft is this? What kind of witchcraft is that? There we go. How do people like the spaced out button things? Because personally, I did it and I was like, okay, this looks kind of nice. But, you know, like, I don't know if I like them. Might ask my group chat. We got a whole dev chat at the minute. It's fucking sick. We've got a little game jolt thing. We can make fucking game jolt trophy. Ah, oh, can't though because that's my game jolt fucking thing. Ah, I could just change it though. Right, let me see. Right, let me just get up. Nah. Right, yeah. Well, I'll do game jolt trophies another time because that's like all my fucking keys and shit. Don't need that. Right, so we gotta make this fucking menu pop up now. So let's make shit happen. Let's do the thing that I like doing. Make shit. By that I mean literally just copy logic that I've done in the past and put it into a new form. Like so. And then we'll just tell it to go to audio settings underscore audio. That's fair. That should now audio settings. Nice. So I'm terrible at game saves, but you know what? It's okay. It's fine. We'll have to work it out. I also need to make functionality for the go back button. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for display. I kind of want to rename video because video and display can get confusing. So actually, yeah, what I'm gonna do is instead of having video there, because I know what video means. I know what video is. But to the odd user, you know, fucking video isn't gonna make sense to them. So graphics is gonna make it. Because you wouldn't believe how many people play your games and it's like, what the fuck does this do? Seen so many instances. So I'll rename it to graphics. Like the text can be graphics, but the button can be fucking, you know, whatever. Let me just go ahead and change that as well. Oh, it doesn't have a little. Oh, it doesn't have a little fucking tab. Why? They do have their own little like button though. Oh yeah, that's actually really good. Because I need to modify that. Have like padding and shit. This just doesn't fit my liking. That's how do I make you bend to my will? Tell me now. How do I make you bend down to my will? Oh, like that. There we go. That was fucking easy. I mean, the buttons don't match up like, but, you know, whatever. What does this button do? I don't even want to fucking know. I don't even want to know. Okay. They made that bigger. How on well, where on earth? Widget yes, no. Why do I have a whole folder for that? You know what, let's just not. Code widgets. Let me just search up settings. Settings menu, widget. Settings main widget, settings video widget. What's it called? Button. Well, no shit. Oh, edit widget blueprint. Well, that was fucking easy, wasn't it? It's literally called button. Okay. Let's change that out for a nice gradient. That is not a nice gradient, but you know what? Whoa. It'll work. It'll work. Oh, it will work. Holy shit, alright. Never mind then, it does. It works. Okay, I kind of don't like the whole gradient. Really pissing me off. Set it to 1.0. Pilot. Yeah, that looks a bit better, doesn't it? It's all interchangeable. Oh, okay. It's all like. Okay, yeah. Now I'm starting to understand it. There we go. I really don't know how I feel about the animation for this. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it just generally, it doesn't fit what I want. We're gonna fix that. Going back to the 0.8 style. Okay, I am at 240 frames at the minute. I need to go back to 30. Jesus. There's no need to be at that many frames. Okay, so at 5 here, we want to set this to 1.1. And at 1 here, we actually just want to leave everything as is. Like that. Nice little... And then we can do render. And I can set that to... I didn't. That's really looking pretty nice. Oh no. Did I just crash my editor? No. Please. Let me get my score up. Let me get my score up. How many hours? Tell me now. 47. 47 minutes. Oh, never mind. We're good. Never mind. I feel like my goal is to ruin myself. At this point, I'm just like, no. So this... graphics. Does look alright, doesn't it? Think. Have an animation for this guy? Yeah, we do. Let's test it all out. Audio. That looks okay. Okay, right, so... volume settings and volume music. This whole thing needs to be redone. Okay, this whole thing needs fucking... demolishing. Is what it fucking needs. What you do. Okay, let me hop into Reproject in a second, because that has all the good save game stuff. That save game is actually correct and built properly. And I do not remember for the life of me how to work it. I'm getting used to save game. I think I know what it is. It's something like, okay, we don't want to do this. This is not. Yeah, this is just not feasible. Let's just make a temporary apply button. Right, let's just make a temporary apply. Fuck off, mate. That's just not the way I wanted to fucking make a temporary apply button, but alright. Fucking hell. Alright, let's just call this button apply. Apply. And then, you know, that could be our temporary apply button. Like game. Like that. Let's just fucking, do you know what, fuck this. Let's just code it into a function. Right, reprojected, I don't need you for a minute. Calm down, man. This is literally our main menu. Not looking too bad. So let's go into content here. What was I looking for? Assets, blueprints, main blueprints. Yes. No. We don't have a function library? FNaF game save. Out of everything we don't have a function line. Okay. Print function line. FNaF R function library. Okay, right, let me hop into Reprojected real quick. Oh shit, unfortunately I can't, yeah, I can't show any of this either. Fuck. Damn it. You'll see it in the next dev stream. Okay, assets, UI. The organization for Reprojected does not make me happy. Just gonna put it like that. And yes, I'm going to complain about it. What's the button layer? Button layer. Makes me happy. That's all the programming for save gaming. Here it is. Check save game. Does save game exist? True, false. That's pretty easy. That's actually well easy. Okay, right. Let's just call this load save game. Does save game exist? I can't remember the saving slots we use for this game, so let me just go check. Because it's literally just my common. Literally just that. French. Okay, so if it doesn't exist, we don't want to do anything pretty much, you know, because we're trying to load a save game here. Or if it does exist, we can create the save game. I think we need to cast though. Oh, sorry, I think we need to create save game object here. And this is where we create our save game object. And we do FNaF game save. Save game to slot. Slot. And then in here, what we do is we load save game. That's not what. And then here we cast to save game. And then we use the output to do whatever is happening. So in order to get our output, because we don't have one at the minute. Do is put that into that and put. So FNaF game save there. That should be it. Ah, Jesus. Okay. I hope I did that right. Someone disapprove me if not. Someone get me cancelled. Iron was cancelled. Save game not working. Imagine if you did get cancelled because like your account wasn't saved or something. But Twitter or Facebook or something. I don't know. I know how it works. You know, it's whatever. Fuck it, man. Right, so let's just go load save game. Actually, I do need that end variable now that I'm looking at it. That was terrible. Okay, right. I think what we're going to do is... Yeah, okay, right. This is starting to make sense to me. So, false. Game object. Oops. No. Make a thing. No, we're just gonna do it like... That does look pretty... Like that? Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm not really understanding function libraries for that particular purpose. Okay, right. I'll get someone to teach me that one because I'm really not getting it across to my mind. Wait, it might be in. I've got reprojected open. No, I haven't. Okay, never mind then. Okay, right. Let's just do it in here because I'm fucking sick of dealing with this today. Bye bye. Okay, so let's just do this here. Does save game exist? What? Branch? True. Load save game. Ask to FNaF game save. False. Create. Okay, it is create save game object. Yeah. It'll be one of them. I mean, it won't make a difference, but you know. And then let's just save into what? Then obviously, I'll put all the variables here. Which makes perfect sense. Right, so let's promote these guys to variables. So this is volume music, and this is volume main. So this would be control everything, this would be just music. Let's go ahead and promote these dickheads to a variable. So vol music. Fine, volume music. And then we'll go ahead and promote this guy. Well, volume main. That. So, then what we've got to do is in here, let's just delete that, because as you can see, we've not got any save games here. Obviously, if the save game doesn't exist, nothing's been saved yet, which isn't usual, but just in case. So we're gonna get those variables. So get volume. So get volume music, get volume settings. I think that's just main volume. Wait, no, sorry, this is not correct. Set volume. So do it like that. There. And now what we want to do is we want to get these volume music and volume main variables. And then at the end of this, we want to save game to slot. And then we pretty much do the same thing down here. Again. I'm gonna make and I'm going to straighten it and just have it direct to everything. Easier that way. That should be all we need to do. So now, here what we want to do. Same premise really, does save game exist. Slot. I will organize this, by the way. Up here we want to, oh sorry, load save game from slot. And then if a save game doesn't exist, it's just going to be default variables, so we don't want to do. No point of doing anything. Cast to FNaF game save. And then we want to get the volume music variable and the volume settings variable, as it's called here for some fucking. We want to grab both the volume variable thingies. So these guys. Set value. Okay, right, let's put this one first. We'll put this one. Like that. I kind of want to also set these variables to them just in case. I don't know if I'd need to, but you know. Actually, no, I wouldn't because these guys. No, because it's unchanged. So yeah, okay, so I would need to set these. I think. I'm not entirely sure. It can't hurt to put it in. You know, it's. I mean, it might be unnecessary, but you know, just in case. Do that. Oh, Jesus. Let's click on play. Settings. Audio. Breaks the game. Put that there. And let's put that about halfway and let's apply it. Okay. Go to settings. Audio. Boom. Exact. That's quite cool, that. That's pretty much settings, audio settings done. Nailed. Save gaming. Hopefully, anyway. Hopefully. Anyway, I'm gonna run this off here now because I've been streaming for almost an hour now, and I need to go do some of my own things and, you know, just chill out a bit. Especially today. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next stream, whenever the fuck that's gonna be, I don't know. Bye-bye.